How to earn money from YouTube, complete beginners guide 2026. My name is Mr. Jonas. Welcome my channel. Click like and click subscribe. Have you ever wondered how YouTubers actually make money? Is it only through millions of views? Do you need thousands of subscribers before you can earn your first dollar? The truth is that many people misunderstand how YouTube works. Some creators earn a full-time income with a relatively small audience, while others get millions of views and still struggle to make money. In this video, I will explain exactly how to earn money from YouTube, even if you are just starting. I will show you the true ways creators make money, how to grow your channel, and the mistakes you should avoid. If you are serious about building a YouTube channel, watch this video until the end, because every section builds on the last one. Let us get started. Part 1. How YouTube pays creators. The first thing you need to understand is this: YouTube does not pay you simply for uploading videos. It pays creators who build any audience and meet the requirements for monetization. Once your channel qualifies for the YouTube Partner Program and is approved, you can start earning money from ads shown on your videos. The amount you earn depends on several factors: your audience, your country, your topic of your videos, the topic of your videos, how long people watch, and advertisers' demand. That is why two videos with the same number of views may earn completely different amounts. But to choose a profitable niche, not every niche earns the same amount. Some topics attract advertisers willing to pay more. Popular high-paying niches include personal finance, making money online, technology, artificial intelligence, business, education, software tutorials, digital marketing, healthy and fitness. This does not mean you should choose a niche you dislike. Choose something you enjoy and something people are searching for. Consistency is the key. Consistency becomes much easier when you enjoy creating the content. Part 3. Create video people want to watch. Many beginners think expensive cameras make successful videos. That is not true. People watch video because they solve problem or entertain them. Because recording any video, ask yourself one question: why would someone click on this? Every successful video actually does one of these things. It teaches, it entertains, it inspires, or it solves a problem. Focus on helping your viewers. Part 4. Get more views. Views are the engine of every YouTube channel. To increase your views, create strong titles, design eye-catching thumbnails, use searchable keywords, keep viewers watching as long as possible, upload consistently, respond to comments, improve every new video. The YouTube algorithm recommends video that people enjoy watching. Your goal is to keep viewers interested from beginning to end. Part 5. Different ways to make money on YouTube. Advertising is only one income source. Successful creators actually combine several methods. YouTube advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, selling digital products, selling online courses, memberships, super thanks, channel memberships. Match this. The more income streams you bleed, the stronger your business becomes. Part 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn before you even qualify for YouTube ads. Recommend products you generally use. Place your affiliate links in the video description. When someone purchases through your link, you will receive a commission. Always recommend products that provide real value. Trust is your biggest asset. Part 7. Sponsorships. As your audience grows, campaigns may pay you to feature their products. You do not always need millions of subscribers. You do not need Part 7. Sponsorships. As your audience grows, campaigns may pay you to feature their products. You do not always need millions of subscribers. Many brands prefer small creators with high engaged audiences. Build trust first. Sponsors value royal views more than large but inactive audiences. Part 8. Common mistakes. Many new creators make the same mistakes: uploading without a clear niche, giving up too early, ignoring thumbnails, copying other creators, uploading lower quality audio, not studying analyzers, expensing success overnight. Growth on YouTube text. Every video teaches you something, but seven, but 9. How long does it take? This is one of the most common questions. There is not fixed timeline. Some channels grow in a few months. Others take a year or longer. What matters most is consistency. Each upload proves your skills. Every views teaches you something new. Keep learning, keep improving, keep uploading. Outro. Make money on YouTube is impossible, but is not about luck. It is about creating valuable content, understanding your audience, and staying consistent. Start with one video. Improve with every upload. Learn from your analytics, and never stop improving. Your first video will probably not be perfect. That is okay. Not successful YouTuber started with perfect videos. If you found the guide helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment YouTube below if you are serious about building your YouTube income. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. My name is Mr. Jonas. Click like, click subscribe, and watch other videos. Ciao.